Alright, what's up everybody? Show Off 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. Today we just got a short one for you. We're going to show you how to install LEDs in a Trailblazer SS and how good they are.
This bolt's broken in here, I gotta fix that.
And if they're good or not, and I'll link, he'll have to send me the link and I'll link them in the description below. Any particular thing you had to do to get this off? The front fascia off?
The grill is just, it snaps into these clips here. You just gotta be careful not to break the clips because the plastic on this is old. And
so there's two on each side?
There's one here, here, and here, and then there's two in each headlight, on the headlight itself.
So how much, does the grill go all the way over here or what?
Yeah, because the grill goes into the middle of the headlights, remember?
Okay.
You'll see it once.
Yeah, I mean, we'll kind of explain it when we put it back together too.
Headlights out, it's just, you lift these like slides up and just pull the headlights
Same way as
out.
old Chevys, right?
Yeah, same as Jay's car.
Kind of like a tip or a, oh, I get what you're saying.
This just slides up and then you could, then there's like a little, like this would come down and lock onto it and then just unplug your bulbs and
cool.
Like
Yeah, he's had yellow bulbs for a while, so it's time. So with these bulbs, oh, what do you gotta do? Trim all this?
Yeah, I just trim this away so I can get the bulb in there and it's mounted in there perfectly. There's a little bit of wiggle room there. And then I'm gonna run the wires out and drill a hole in the dust cover and then mount the little ballast down here with the two-sided tape they give me. Because it should be tucked out of the way, it shouldn't interfere with anything down there. I'm just trying to get a visual here.
Oh, what all you gotta trim?
Yeah. It's noisy when you're cutting a lot with it. I hate this trigger on here.
Some of those are a pain, yeah.
Oh, don't want that to fall in there.
Nothing but like
blood everywhere. You do that on the other one, maybe. Oh, that's pretty. That came out good. Okay. Mint.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Perfect fit. Like, I'm like a master fabricator. I'm not an actual fabricator.
Yeah, guy. Master fabricator.
Don't quote me on that. So I'm just cleaning the headlight up, get all the dirt and crap off it. So when I go to put the two-sided tape on,
how you gonna mount it? You gonna put like a 2-foot-long screw in there?
What?
Foot-long screw through the headlight?
You might. I'm not.
Oh, you mean I can do it on this one?
No, you can't touch it. After that comment.
I was just thinking to myself, I was like, wow, it's really dark outside. It's never this dark when I go to work.
Yeah, I think that's gonna mount perfect.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm gonna do it like this instead. Oh yeah, like that.
Oh no, I don't think so. Yeah.
That's a negative close right here.
Well, you can't bring that all over here. Nope. Yeah, I don't think so. It's just even if you wanted to. Or can you like black tape over this?
No.
I don't know.
You can't see this anyway. This is just to keep dust and dirt out of there, but I don't drive through mud bogs or nothing, so.
Yeah, weirdo.
Weirdo.
What kind of guy doesn't take a Trailblazer SS through the mud?
Because it's lowered. It gets stuck.
Alright, one's done. Or is this one all done?
Yeah.
You're just doing the next one? So you guys kind of saw what it looks like. But I see. Here it is again. Yeah, turn on your headlamp, guy.
Hey, this thing is tits.
Headlights for headlights. Dee. Come on, that was funny.
Get out of here. Get out of my house.
I am out of your house.
Get away from my house.
I'm away from your house. I'm next to the garage. The old headers.
Still there.
Still there.
They're definitely not going anywhere because that's way too much work.
Yep. Let's see how this looks.
Ooh,
Oh yeah.
it looks so much better. Right?
Much better, guy.
Okay, let's get the other one.
Much better.
I hate
Okay,
putting,
Spank, throw the other one in.
I hate putting headlights in. Doesn't matter.
Why?
I don't know. I just hate doing it.
I like it. It's easy.
It don't matter. Sometimes it's easy.
When are you gonna get an intake? Same time I need one. Same time I get one.
I get an intake when I get rid of my chrome door handles.
Oh, great! He's never getting an intake. There's another clip over there, just like this one. There's one back in the back too, right over there. Kind of more of a pain, as you can tell.
It's definitely a pain. Kind of like Zach.
Yeah, well,
Really,
they all know.
Really big pain. Okay, that's in there, I think.
In?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, I'll turn it on for you, guy.
This one's way the hell up.
Oh yeah, it is. You're actually gonna have to see what you want though. If you want to match that one, or if you want to match this one.
Yeah.
Why does it look? Oh, maybe it's because it's on the door.
Yeah, it's kind of goofy. All right, shut up.
All right, and just throwing the grill on.
Whoops.
Just a bunch of clips.
You know what, at work? I work with clips all day because I do most interior work and that. But like, it's always more stressful when it's your own car.
Yes, I agree. You're like at work, you're like, oh yeah, just pull it off. Doesn't break. Your car, you're like taking double the time breaks. You're like, come on.
You're like, what did I do to deserve this?
When you find out what size it is, tell them what size it is.
It's not this size because it's e-Torx, but I don't have any e-Torx right now, so I'm just gonna be really careful with
Yeah,
this.
if you don't have any, it's not an actual like size of a nut.
It's e-Torx.
It's an e-Torx, but
or inverted Torx.
it's an inverted Torx, but you can put a socket on it.
You shouldn't.
You shouldn't, but you can.
7mm fits. I'm gonna try a standard.
7 mil fits. He's gonna grab a standard just to be safe. Here's what they look like. We're gonna go down the road to aim them to see what, because I have LEDs too. 3, 2, 1, boom. And we're not those people that just put LEDs in and blind everybody. We actually aim our LEDs. So we're gonna go down the road and aim them. But here's the exhaust of the Trailblazer. We did a catback and headers on this. If you want to see it, the videos will be linked. All right, so the one on the right is really womped out.
Yeah.
So he's gonna go adjust that. Hey.
Okay.
We also installed a AFR in here. So if you want to see that, video linked.
Record.
Jay, what's AFR stand for?
Air to fuel ratio.
You gotta talk louder.
Air to fuel ratio.
Yeah, now we do. I didn't know.
That's mint right there.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Not sure.
That way you're not blinding people.
I know it might look kind of weird on camera on this side of the road, but it's like the color, the color of the road changes. It makes the light look different. But
oh yeah, yeah, you can definitely see it on camera. I know what you're talking about
yeah,
now.
like.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video quick. If you have Blazer SS and you're looking to do some LEDs, I didn't even say it at the beginning. These are GTR lighting, GTR LEDs. I'm not quite sure. The link's down below. The link right to the LED site will be right there for you if you want these. They're very good. They're very good quality. They are pretty expensive. They are on the more expensive side, but they are definitely probably one of the best quality you can buy. Just a little trimming to the headlight, as you guys saw. That's all you got to do. So quick and easy install. Makes truck look a heck of a lot better, and actually gives you and gives you a lot better lighting as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.